can see the picture. My dad and a bottle of liquor.
Welcome back to the van. We promise you every second week a video. Didn't work out so well, but we had a good reason, Anjali.
We got married!
Yeah, so slightly change of plans in the last weeks, but yeah, we are happy to be back.
It's a total mess here. We still have to clean a bit, but I'm glad. I'm glad that we are back and let's get started.
So for today, you might remember also this corner here. We want to build a sitting area here. We told you already in the last videos. And now we will clean this area and then we will plan a bit how we build this. Okay, we just have to find out what is the ideal height for the chair.
We're so bad in this. We made all the calculations and I think we have it in a diary at home.
But we kind of know what we have to do. So
yeah.
Here it's written that the dining table chair height is between 45 and 50 centimeters.
Yeah, and here I see that it also depends on the table height. So it says like, if this is the base of your table and this is the base of your chair where you sit, so the final height, this distance should be around 21 centimeters. 20 centimeters distance from the top of the table, and it should fit.
That was easy.
Yeah, let's see how it is in practice.
Got no money, got no gold, but I have you standing here next to me. You said, do you wanna go see the world, not go home? We can be anything that we dream. We'll be like
Kind of.
We can sit slanted.
1-2 millimeters is okay. So, here you can see what we have done until now. We cut quite some wood boards. Had to do it multiple times because the measurements were not right in all. Like always, but now it doesn't look too bad. So we have this base structure, now we want to fix it. And then we have to see that we also just cover these sides. But for this we also have to build some wood boards here in between. So this will be the next step.
we'll be like
We fixed already the base structure of the first seat, and what we also prepared is these boards. So it was actually quite challenging to make this kind of in a rectangle, but I think for now it's kind of okay. What we now can do is that we bought also the white board for the top, but we have to cut it now to the right size.
So now the tricky part is how long the board should be. Maybe not more than 47.5 or 48, because the problem is that the van curves here, and for us to be able to open this, it has to fit here. So, you know, maybe 40, 47, even 47 is not too bad, no?
47 is good, no?
Yeah.
watch the ocean kiss the moon. Run away with me, where the morning paints the sea. We'll fly with the glow. We found love, we won't let go.
To start with the second seat, we now have to first plan a bit. So Anjali is already measuring. We have to see how wide the second seat should be, and also we have to kind of make a step here. We will plan this now and then we can start building it.
Searching through the stars.
We have now kind of an idea what we want to do. So here you can see our rough plan. We will have these 4 sticks and the board will go a bit longer because this is because of this box. So we want that in the end the board where you sit on goes still a bit wider. Welcome to day 3 of our sitting area project. We fixed already the top of it. And Anjali is currently preparing the next big thing.
You can give me all that I need is a simple life. I don't need no problems. No, I just want sunny skies. I cannot live without you by my side. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Don't give up, don't you give up on me.
Just as a side note, this is nice to do with a brush, but we are just using these tissues. So all the professionals out there, please close your eyes.
There's someone to rely on.
So we have kind of an idea where we want to make the legs of the table. Now what we will do is we will mount some angles on the wall, because the board will be fixed here on the wall and here it will stand on 2 legs. So this we will do now.
Just a broken man. Don't give up on me. Don't give up on me.
And it's time for the final reveal. We were working yesterday super late to somehow finish the seating area, and then there was no energy left to show you, so now is the time.
Love like you never grew up, and live like you just get one tonight. We're kings and queens.
And that's it for this week's video. Please let us know in the comments what you think about our seating area. The next big challenge for us is to get hot water running in our shower. So if you're interested, please stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching.